Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi A1 Sportback Black Edition 25 TFSI. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Kronos grey, sure to turn heads when on the road. All while standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with a 7-spoke rotor design, making a bold statement with every turn. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, an ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery and S Emboss logo. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations and connection to your mobile phone device. The MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps, the wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth, in the car menu, with parking, for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. Below, you have the manual air conditioning, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature while staying connected with 2 USB charging points, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and 2 handy cup holders. This approved used Audi A1 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who would be more than happy to help. Thank you.